what I'm working with. Nothing's in my head top, no shiny, nothing, just a wet head top. Yeah, put my hair backwards, frontwards. This is what I'm working with, you know. My hair is basically trained right now, and if this video is just to show you guys how to get your hair as trained as that. Yeah, so let's just get it started. Let's put our magnifying glasses on. Man. As you can see, it's just normal do-rags, plastic bag, oil, spray, sheen spray like coconut, and this is Dax. Dax is like a type of pomade, like, you know, but it's really good. Mirror, so dirty, golly. And hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, comb. Basically, that's what you need. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I am wolfing. Wolfing is, well, if you're just starting to wave, like waves for beginners, wolfing is when you grow your hair and you continue brushing. It helps with your connections and it helps with the depth. Like, it makes your waves get deeper. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is grab the mirror. Very important. If you're a trash waver, you're gonna just do this. I can do it right now because I know how to brush my hair. But if you just started out, best thing to do, grab your mirror, look in the mirror, and just figure out what pattern you want. Because the way I brush is I brush from the crown straight down, okay? You hear that bar? From the crown straight down. That's how I do it. Now this is a soft brush. This brush is for maintaining waves. This one is in between, which is a medium. Grab your medium first, grab your mirror, start brushing that. Get it laid down a little bit. Then I'll get the hard, wake it up even more with the hard. Remember, crown down. Then we're gonna grab the comb, open up the waves. Remember, combing helps with connections, right? Open up the waves. I like to start off with, this bad boy. Well, the brand doesn't matter, it's just natural oils. Use a decent amount. My head top is medium small, you know, I have a small forehead, but yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all would know how much to use. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in my hands like that. I don't know if y'all, you know. Then, here's the crazy part. I'm gonna go backwards and frontwards to work it inside my hair. I'm not trying to, most wavers would just do this. That's on top of your head top. That's not working the scalp. Then back and forth like this, like that. We're gonna grab my best friend. I'm gonna grab the mirror and I'm just gonna spray. We're gonna grab the medium again. And we're just gonna put the head top back. You know, put it back. Next up, slap on the Dax. Dax gang of the Daxes. But yeah, Dax, it just says compacted with vegetable oil pomade. Again, it's pomade, so I'm not gonna use a lot. Pomade is for holding your head top down. Well, when you use pomade for waves, it's for holding your head top down. You hold your hair down and basically, that's it. I'm wolfing, that's the only reason why I'm even considering it. Again, use a considerable amount in your own head top. You must know your own head top, how much it will take properly. When you start off with waves, you'll figure it out really easily. If you're catching on, crown down. So put on the pomade. Pomade is to hold your hair down. From that point, now you're using the soft brush, right? You're using the soft brush to hold it down, just chill with it. If you want anything from this video, I want you guys to take that away. Brush, 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 brush. Literally, the only thing you guys should do is brush. That once you see that 1-2 ripples, this is for the beginners. Once you see that 1-2 ripples, you are going, your heart's gonna melt, okay? It's better than, the feeling is going to be better than an orgasm. The feeling is going to be better than when you clean out your ears with the Q-tip. It's gonna feel amazing. You know when you take one of the best doo-doos and you're like, whoa. When you see that 1-2 ripple, you're gonna be like, oh my stars, this is amazing. And you're just gonna go in, you're just gonna be brushing like a madman. You're gonna be like, boom, boom, boom. That's all I have to say, guys. Brush, 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 and brush. Beginner wavers, make sure you have this. If beginner wavers, I recommend that you get a silky do-rag, right? This is a satin silk do-rag. You can order 100% silk do-rags online. Once you start seeing your little formations, little connections, now you're a certified waver. Grab yourself some colored do-rags. Grab colors, my friend. Show it off. Like, just say, yo, you're a rainbow now, my friend. Like, you're just, that's who you are. But once you get do-rags, it's gonna be very, very hard to pick. Now, you're gonna have to pick what do-rag you wanna wear. And it's pretty hard, to be honest. Boom, right? I'm gonna use this, the olive oil nourishing sheen spray. So basically it's just a sheen spray. It's the type of spray when you go to the barber and they are done and they just finish, they use the alcohol, they spray the alcohol in your neck and your hairline, and then they use this, well, not exactly this, but they use something like this. And if the barbers use it, I use it. This is basically what you're doing. You remember this from the barber? Yeah. Get that all up in your head top. Get the plastic bag on your hand and plastic bag that up. Pretend this is your brush. You go crown, down, crown, down, crown, down, crown, down. And you just go crown, down, crown, down. This is your hand so you can make a little, you know, a little curvature with it. Bag it up. Rag it up. Boom. Right? Once you're done with the bag, rag it up. You just laid your head top down. You put every single product you need inside your head top. You just bagged it up. Quick demonstration. Let me just show you guys how to tie a do-rag properly. So this one went through it too. But put the do-rag like this. Go over your head top, right? Make sure it's lined up properly. Make sure this line right here is in the middle of your forehead. Is it, man? Middle of your forehead. Okay, boom. Okay. Ba-bom bom. Grab the two tails, right? Put them around. Over your ear. You don't want to hide your ears. Boom. You switch hands like you're tying a shoelace. Boom. So this one was on this side first and that side, blah, blah, blah. You get it. Switch hands. Drop that one. Open up the flap of the tail so it's well laid down. Because if you have it scrunched up, your waves will be messed up in the front. Because remember, this is going to be on your head top, pressing against it. Grab the other tail. Try to make it over. It just looks more neat. It's not mandatory, but it looks neat. And then wrap it around. You have the two like that. I don't know if you can see it. Let me bring it up. Boom, you have them. Tie it like a shoelace, my friend. Tie it like a shoelace. And bob. Shoelace, grab the tail. Pull the tail down a little bit. Pull the tail down a little bit so it sits on your head top. And basically, that's really it. Sometimes I like to tie the tails like that. Boom. And everything's blessed. Yeah, that's basically really it, guys. Again, going from backwards, this, Dax, best friend. These are gonna be your best friends. Best friends, really. Mirror. All right, so that was it, really. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, just DM me on Instagram or hit me on the Snap. I'll leave those in the description below. Yeah, really. Let's try to get this video up to, I don't know, 20 likes. Let's see if that can happen. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna skedaddle, I'm gonna run on along. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Remember, positivity over negativity. Chip HBK out. young boy Reese gone. About to go wash these dishes before my mom comes home and beats my
we're speeding.
All right, circle around.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god.